Sige, please. Okay. Ganito ulit sa ito. Thank you.
Number 24. Okay.
Velocity. Thank you. Thank you, mga sir. Thank you for the name others. Nice game. Ito na mga train lang, no? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Sir Smith.
Grabe yung dalawa. Ang ganda na play nyo eh.
Grabe. Sige. Send nyo na lang sa. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for coming here in Costa Verde. We're sorry to be there. RT.
Molina!
PJ! Left floor, pass. Wala pa lang ang kapes, sabi ni PJ.
Molina! Wala rebound ni Lapinya. Rebound ni Lebron. Yan! Yan ang gusto ko kay Lebron.
Grabe lang sa katawan ni Lebron.
Wow!
Oh, please be ready yung finals natin, ha? Yung finals natin, kukunan nila Sir Matt. Sino yung kalaban nyo kanina, pare? Nandiyan pa sila, di ba? Parang nawala na sila, may finals pa, di ba? Ha? Nasa labas siguro kakain. Nagsiset sila ng choir nila. Special shout out to Sir Ellie Michelson.
Ellie Michelson, where are you going? Sir Jeff Villas, he's at the court. LeBron!
Pero, thank you, pero. Thank you, pero.
Last 10 minutes.
Jack Alma. Drop on the rebound of the ball. Jack Alma. What a move. Oh, tira mo to. There's an open opportunity. But there's a foul. Sumabe kay Jack Alma. Mark that 4. Open. For 3. Sayang. Konti na lang. Molina dribbling the ball.
Slicing off. Christopher. Nakalusot. Kinaliwa. Galaxy. Galaxy. What a pass.
Galaxy. Hot burst of being here.
Yes, sir. That bottom rebound. He already. Back to LeBron.
Rebound ni Calma. Grabe si Sir Jack. Score natin. 4-3, score natin. 4-3 pa lang? Talaga, nagpas na kayo ng 10 minutes, 4-3 pa lang. Thanks, King. Bang! Uy! Grabe naman sa reverse layup. All. Grabe naman sa bilisan ng galaw. Please be ready for championship gaming. BJ, black floor. Pass it up, Como. Rebound ni Molina. Grabe tumalon yun. Yes, sir! What a play between them. Oh, isang lamang. Galaxy Stone. Parang panggwapong galaway ng galaway ni Galaxy. Galaxy, dapat nakasign ka ng pogi design. Isang linggo naman yan, Galaxy. Iyon. Isang toss lang. Pahing 3 points, Galaxy. Ayun, binigyan. No rebound ni Lebron. Calma, nandiyan si Calma. Bottom of the rim. Nugget, sayang. Galaxy with the ball. Galaxy. Nastila si Galaxy. Ay, para sa salpak. Grabe naman yun. Tinira, wala. Rebound ni Calma. Back to BJ. Black floor. Nice one. Good defense. One. No good. Ganda ng depensa. Ganda ng ofensa. Ganda ng lalaki. LeBron. You can stop me, but there will be a foul, sabi ni LeBron. Last 5 minutes. Bang! Konti pa. Oh my God! What a move! My goodness! Para nakakita ko ng galaw ni Coach Mau. Grabe naman sa galaw yun. LeBron! Sige! Umarang ka! Huwag po akong papagayin! What a play! Molina! Grabe naman si Molina. Ayaw bumitin. Sobrang seryoso. Bosir, pakabaka mo. Seryoso. There's a foul. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. BJ for 3! No good! 1 minute and 30 seconds. Dalawa na lamang yan. Depensa kayo, mga sugar. Dalawa na yan. Why not a goal? There's a foul. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Depensa, dalawa lang yan. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Defense. Offense. Defense. Last 45 seconds. Yes, sir. Nice pass. Isa na naman. 40 seconds. There's a foul. Woo! Last 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Last 40 seconds. 35. 30. Foul. Stop time. Last 30 seconds. 30 ha. 30. Isa lang lamang nyo ha. 30 seconds. Oh, play. Please be ready, finals. Running time. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, last 6 seconds. Kabila bola. Oh, 6 seconds. Oh.
Buzzer beater.
Yeah. Oh. 6.
Buzzer beater.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Oy!
1. Tabla!